Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I am doing an interesting project that is like this creating a animation by drawing concentric circle on Tkinter Canvas using random color. So simple one only. So look like whenever restart, it start and do it like this. How to write a code? So simple one. For this one, I'm going to import the package like Tkinter as Tk, and from random import range I'm writing. And so here to remember here getting random color. So I'm writing this coding for getting the random color only. So as usual I'm writing the window. So generator window I'm writing tk and width height I'm setting like this, and set the variables also. Then I'm going to give the string value and width height, and I'm going to geometry of dimension d. Then I'm going to write tk.canvas of and so on, and I'm continuing. Then I'm going to call the draw function, my draw function for draw the convenient. If you want to draw the circle, you can draw. If you want to draw the square, you can draw. So here I'm going to write the global variable, declare like this: global x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2, and color underscore c I'm giving the range, and so on and so on I'm giving. Then create rectangle. If you want like this, you can give, and then I'm writing the code. If x1 less than width by 2, c1 dot after of 500 comma my underscore draw, then else return, and I'm writing the completing here, and again I'm going to restart button. So remember here getting random color, so you can generate the hexa code by using the RGB value as of now here, and the RGB values range the taken from the random number generator, that is color underscore. So this is the line very important for generate this project and running. So here this color underscore c has %2 is this is for range of from the 0 to 255 you are writing. And also we can call the timer. This is the timer function where we can say after timer, okay, using timer. So when execute the project, it show the some numbers and always display the circles also. So first a big circle and small one, and again small one, at last become the small one, that is concentric circle here. And restart button. So as of now here we are going to initialize the restart button with the help of the variables like x1 y1 x2 y2 and so on and so on. So simple project you can do it easily. So it's look like, so once executed here to display here, and when the user can press the restart button. Whenever user press the restart button, it activated again and show display the output like this. So concentric circle. So this is a way how to develop the concentric circle with the help, that is animated one, with the help of Tkinter and as well as the canvas. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.